Hey guys, if you're getting slow audio exports whenever you're using Firecut, here's a surefire way of making your audio exports usually twice as fast. The difference comes from the format of your source audio, so these audio tracks here. If you're using an uncompressed format, such as a WAV file, it'll be very quick to process. But if you're using a compressed format, then it's usually slow. So firstly, here's how you can check whether you're using a compressed format or not. You just right-click on your video clip, go to Reveal in Project, and you'll find the video clip here, and then right-click and Media File Properties. And this will show you that the source audio format is a compressed format. And this means every time Premiere Pro has to do an export, it has to uncompress it and then render it out as an audio file. And what this means is when I click on any Firecut function, it'll take, let's say, 20 seconds in this case, to render out these two audio tracks. Now, I'm going to show you how to make this faster. Firstly, unlink your video and audio tracks. You might already have these unlinked if you're sourcing the audio from a different mic setup. But usually you can select all of your clips and do Command L or Control L if you're on Windows. And now you have these audio clips separate to the video clips. Then select your audio, right-click, and then render and replace. And what this is going to do is it'll render out your audio as a WAV file and replace the clips you've got here with those extracted WAV files. So initially, yes, it takes a little bit of time to do this, but now that this is done, these two clips are now WAV files. And if I click on Analyze Audio again, it's now only going to take half as long, so about 10 seconds. So yeah, this is a way to speed up your audio exports whenever you're using Firecut and making the whole process much faster, especially if you're doing this a few times. So there you go.